You're broken down and tired of living life on a merry-go-round, and you can't find the fighter, but I see it in you. So we're gonna walk it out and move mountains. We're gonna walk it out.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Okwe, and if you're joining us for the first time, welcome. What's up? So yeah, today I am giving you guys an update video of this hair from Nadula Hair. You guys remember when I did it? If not, it's gonna be linked up here or up here, I don't know which side, but then you guys know when I reviewed it was the first hair review on my channel, and fam, I did not hear the last of it. This hair was, I still can't get over this hair. I did that video in November, just right after my birthday, and I have rocked the life out of this hair. Like, it's been 3 months. This is February. It's been November. I actually had it way before November, so let's say since September, right? I think I actually got it in September. So September, October, November, December, January, 5 months. So this is 5 months update of this hair. I love it, you guys. I like, this is one of my favorite hairs, and you guys, I've been buying hair for a while now, but this is still one of my favorites. I love it. The same review I gave you guys at the beginning still stand. It still doesn't shed. Like, I have manhandled. I don't have wig storage. I don't know how to store my wig, so I just throw it on top of the hanger. Yes, it has been on the hanger since, on top of one dead mannequin's head, and I have manhandled this hair, and it is still popping. Anyways, I didn't coil it myself today. I'm going to leave the handle of the hairstylist that coiled it for me, because you guys know that your girl is bloody lazy. Ain't nobody got time for coiling and all those things that take forever. So yeah guys, please help me and look at this hair. It's still a baby girl hair. If you guys don't remember the specifications of this hair, I'm going to leave it linked below and even like on the screen, so you guys can check. I'm also going to insert pictures, several pictures of me when I wore this hair. There are so many times I didn't even, like, obviously I didn't film every time I wore it, but then I've used this hair for a shoot. I'm also going to insert a picture. I used it for a bridal shoot. I don't know if the tutorial will be up yet, but then I stated in the tutorial that I used this hair. So yes, another person has worn this hair. We styled it in a bridal hairstyle, and it was bomb. Still bomb. Even right now, I didn't even like glue it down at all. You guys know I didn't lay any baby hair. You know, the first time I did lay baby hair and everything, so I know it looks a bit different, but then it's still beautiful. I think that is all I need to tell you guys about this hair. You know, I promised I was going to update you guys. If it was trash hair, trust me, I wouldn't even bother with the updates. They should not bother. I've reviewed it the first time, but then it is paying. Let me try and stand so that you guys can see every point. Like, I'm going to still loosen. I don't want to scatter this thing now, because I know I'm not going to be the one to coil it the next time. So I'm just going to manage my coils now, and just so that the next time I want to wear it, I will just throw it on. I won't bother about styling. But then yeah, I don't have any other thing. I really truly do not have any con about this hair. The only con I have is that I wish my wig was looser, and that's not the fault of the hair company. It's fault of the person that made my wig. So that's the only problem. I'm probably going to loosen, like cut the band at the back so that it doesn't give me a headache every time I wear it. But apart from that, I am good to go. I have no problem whatsoever. So yeah, I'm going, like I said earlier, I'm going to leave the links below to this specific hair. I know a lot of people wanted to buy, but then they were waiting to hear the updates to know if the hair met up to expectations or not. But it did, and I can literally vouch for you guys. I've had this hair for 5 months now. If you want to buy it, this is the perfect time to buy it. They have some discount code, and I'm going to leave everything linked below. So yeah, that is all I have to say about this hair review, I mean updates. So if you guys want to buy the hair, links below. Thank you guys for hanging with me. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Peace out. Yes, order your Nadula hair, guys. Don't waste time, because this is the year to be paying. You don't want to carry last. Okay, see ya. Love ya. Kisses.
We are a chosen generation, called for to show His excellence. All I require for life is given to me. I am a chosen generation, called for to show His excellence. nothing's given to me. I know who God says I am, what He says I am, where He says I'm at. I know who I am, I know who God says I am, what He says I am, where He says I'm at. I know who I am, I know who I am. I know who I am. And I rise like the day. I rise up, I rise unafraid to rise up. And I'm gonna do it 1,000 times again.